the 3 wins, one of the wins alone, the first one, already make up for all the losses. So it's 120 pips minus 38 pips minus 40 pips minus 28 pips. I'm still positive up there, I'm sure of it. 40 plus 38 is 78 plus 28, 8 and 8 16, it will be 88 plus 20 is 106 pip loss and 120 pip win on this first trade alone, and then the second one 140 pips, and then this third one 230 pips. Welcome back to another video. Currently it's 9:50 a.m. Tuesday the 23rd of April 2024. I decided to pull out the camera and start recording even though I wasn't ready, but yeah, even though I wasn't ready, I did some quick analyzing and I have a bullish outlook towards NAS this moment, but I'm waiting for like a retracement to the area that I have the cursor at, 17 to 66, like around that area, around here, before I enter for a buy. My stop loss is right here. I already sent out the limit order to the chat, and I'm also in it here placed. In it placed here, so I'm waiting, seeing if price retraces to the entry, and then I'll be in this trade. If not, then there's gonna be one missed. Maybe let me drop down to the 5 minute. Let's see. Yeah, there's nothing to go off of the 5. I won't take a trade based off the 3 minute, but it's still good to know what's going on there. So on the 3 minute, my entry is located below a low. I would say the low that was formed before this high was broken, and this high. Great. So it's a good place to have an entry. So I'll give you guys an update. Like I said, I don't want to make these videos too long, so I'll give you guys an update once we're in the trade, or later on if maybe my bias change or I get an entry somewhere else. So we're back, and yeah, price did not come back. What? Price did not come back to my entry. Anyway, based on what price does, I'm gonna hit y'all up. I don't know if like it's just going to keep going higher, or we might see the retracement as a sudden thing, because I think they still got some news coming out. So yeah, I haven't taken a second entry or anything. But price just looks bullish, you know. At least my analysis was kind of right. I was looking for a trade, or my bias, not analysis. My bias was correct, being towards the upside. But I don't see any entries according to my strategy. It's nice movement, but kind of glad I ain't enter, you know, because I didn't see anything that's according to the strategy. And the thing is, the more trades you enter that's not like aligning with your strategy, like you can't document the reason why you enter that trade, that's not good for you. One, it like builds this mentality to just look for any type of opportunity, any type of trade, especially with these impulsive opportunities. You can look at them and be like, alright, from the time I see a candle like this on the 15 minutes, something like this, or this one, just buy. And then sometimes, most of the times actually, this is gonna be the top. And then when price ready to reverse, the amount of risk that you can take on is like, then is when you start fishing into the trade. It happened to me too much of times, bro. Too much of times, and I start journaling. That's the only reason why I'm doing it no more, because I have it in writing, I have it in feeling, I have it in memory, I have it in every possible way. I have it in literal like screenshots, or I can go back in the chart and see when I lost, because I have the trades marked up on the charts. So you just have to learn from your mistakes. Some trades are going to keep going. That's the trades that you just miss. You know, you're gonna miss some, you're gonna win some, you're gonna lose some. That's always one. So yesterday was a W. That's Monday. Mondays don't usually, I mean, I can't say don't usually, because for the past 4 Mondays W and Gaza. But let me see, we're waiting for price come back, hopefully. Even 50% of this range, or 50% of this move ain't got no fair value gap. Maybe even a smaller time frame. Nah, no gaps, no nothing. This is just a move. This is like a wild move right now, like at least compared to main strategy. I mean, liquidity was taken with this low here at age 15, but this was liquidity that was farmed 413. According to me, physics of the market, nah, the liquidity too recent. But sometimes it is good thing. I like see long-term liquidity being taken, you know, like the longer, the older food, you know. Recent food ain't really. Let me see something at 17.4. You take as 460 something, really turning back, man. So yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all up. I'm gonna give y'all like I said, I don't want these videos to be too long, but give y'all an update when we get to where we get to. So it's a couple hours later, and as y'all can see, we had no trades. So again, another day where I went to town and come back. So regardless, still by limit, still waiting. Everybody in the chat also is still waiting. This trade just went away and left us. Yeah. So I sent this out to the chat, and everyone was also waiting for a retracement. But we had no trade today, which means we did not lose any money. Count that as a win, bro. So yeah, analysis was still the same. Did not change my bias as the day went on. As we approached the 466 level, I was kind of watching to see how price would react, whether we would have like a low being farmed and then broken or whatever the case is. But nah, price just kept on pushing higher. So it's for the best when you don't force trades, bro. Don't, if it don't match what you just normally like see and say is confirmation. Why me here keep sticking out, bro? Nah, this look worse. Good. So if it's not lining up with the things that you see as confirmation, then bro, don't take that trade. Don't take that trade. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Not much I could say about it. I guess I should talk something about discipline, get a little bit more engaging in the conversation. But to be honest, bro, I still learning just as much as everybody else. So if I can tell you do something that you don't see me do yet, or I now learning to do, like how beneficial is the, how, you know, how much weight they can carry if you don't see me doing it first. So yeah, when it comes to discipline, I know trying to think. These videos helping me out a lot, because I can hold myself accountable, and I know other people can hold me accountable as well, but helping a lot. But discipline gonna come from within. It's something that you got. Nobody can hold you accountable to be disciplined but yourself, and you're not going to be disciplined until you like allow the trades to do what God. No closing early, no moving SL without reason, no entering when it's not your strategy, none of that. You just have to be disciplined, have to journal. Even today, I had no trades. I still have this physical journal. I'm not gonna put it down in this trading journal in Notion, which is looking pretty nice. I had 2 L's and 3 wins. The 1 L for 40 pips, another L for 28 pips, and the 3 wins is 120. Well, okay, I had another 38 pip L, but the 3 wins, one of the wins alone, the first one, I already make up for all the losses. So it's 120 pips minus 38 pips minus 40 pips minus 28 pips. I'm still positive up there, I'm sure of it. 40 plus 38 is 78 plus 28, 8 and 8, 16. It would be 88 plus 20, this 106 pip loss and 120 pip win on this first trade alone. And then the second one 140 pips, and then this third one 230 pips. So sticking to the strategy, seeing it play out for the long run, I believe it gonna work better for my psychology, better for like me holding the trades, the courage to just hold the trade whenever I enter it and it's according to my strategy, not to enter trades that are not according to my strategy. So I guess this is how discipline is look. It's over time. It's just build and compound and compound and compound. But yeah, not too much I could say in these videos. Like I said, I don't want to make it too long. I want to get value, but you know, value that is valuable, not just value that everybody repeating. So the things them that you hear on the internet, you don't come here and hear again. So hey, that's all I got for this video. Tomorrow hopefully we get the trade, so I can show y'all some action. Win or loss, still gonna be in it, still gonna show up, still gonna record, still gonna put out the video for y'all. So that's it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.